It's time for story time. It's time for story time. Come on, friends, and join me now. It's time for story time. Assalamu Alaikum. And hello, friends. Welcome to Story Time with Miss Big. My story time pals and I are so excited that you can join us. We have a great story today. Are you ready? So am I. So come on, let's begin. Our story for today is called Time for Bed, Fred by Yasmeen Ismail. Mom and Dad, if you have a copy, follow along with us. If not, check out the link below to get your own. It's time for bed, Fred. Oh no, Fred, where are you going? Fred, that's not your bed, Fred. Fred, what are you doing up there? Trees are no places for dogs. Uh-oh, where's your bed, Fred? Fred, 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 watch out for the muddy puddle. Too late. Oh, Fred, you are filthy. Bath time. Wait, Fred, wait. You're not dry yet. Oh dear, come on, Fred. It's time for bed. Fred, Fred, Fred. It's very late now, Fred. Time for bed. Okay, you can have a story first, but just one. Now, where's your bed, Fred? That's not your bed, Fred. That's not your bed, Fred. That's not your bed, Fred. Oh, Fred, that's my bed. Let's find your bed, Fred. At last. Night, night, Fred. Sweet dreams. The end. What a funny story. Fred was having such a hard time looking for his bed. He wanted to go to other places besides going to bed. So, where did he go? What places did he jump into or hide into? Do you remember? I can't wait for you to tell me. Until next time. See you soon.